In this video, my Golf's turn signals are going from this to this. I picked up these dynamic LED turn signals from BMP Tuning. This kit comes with everything you'll need to install these LED turn signals, including the T8 Torx wrench. So for starters, I would shift the glass up and down to kind of loosen it up. Mine was pretty stiff when I first started. And take the tool that they gave you and put it right in the middle of the mirror and kind of gently pull on it. Do not put it in the top right corner. I have seen numerous people break the mirror by doing it that way. So start in the middle and kind of work your way left and right, kind of giving a little bit of pressure as you go. After a few times, you'll start to kind of feel it loosen up, and then eventually it'll pop. So once you pop it out, the bottom was still pretty tight for me, so kind of work the mirror around, and you can pop the bottom out. It will have two wires connected to it because these are heated mirrors, so just go ahead and put it off to the side. Now there are two tabs you'll need to release. It's kind of hard to see here. There's one in the top right. It's a pretty thick, long tab. Just push it down and you'll hear a little click. The left tab is a little bit smaller. Same deal. Just kind of push down on it and it'll eventually click. You'll hear that noise and the mirror cap can come off. If you push the mirror cap and it doesn't come off right away, then it means the tab's still on. So continue pushing on the tab until it clicks. You'll then need to remove this connector. I believe it is for the lane assist alert. You'll then have another connector up here. You want to unplug that. There's a tab right here, as well as two T8 Torx. And be careful not to drop these in the mirror. The best way I found to remove this tab was to put a flathead between the tab and the mirror and then twist it. It will then push the tab up and you'll hear a little click. The turn signal's also got a little clip that's on the front side of the mirror, so you're going to want to twist it a little bit. It'll pop right out. So lining this up is a bit tricky. I started with the front side and getting that little tab lined up, and then you want to get the clip and the two T8 Torx screw holes lined up. When you get that center tab lined up and push down, you should hear all the little click to let you know that it's all the way in place. Then go ahead and install your connector for the turn signal. and then go ahead and install your two T8 Torx screws. Then install the connector for the lane assist signal. Then I went ahead and made sure the turn signal worked. Now this was by far the hardest part of the install. The tabs are really tricky to line up. For some reason the passenger side went on really easily, but the driver's side was just fighting me the whole time. All I can say is line the tabs up from the front as best you can and just push in on it. You'll eventually hear some clicks and the tabs will be in. I ended up using a flathead and pressed it on the tab. This made it a lot easier. Go ahead and install the mirror. Once you hear a few clicks, you'll know it's installed. I think this turned out great, and for the price, it was a no-brainer.